Welcome back to Earnings Lane, your go-to channel for all things related to making money online. Today, we're diving into 5 ways you can make money from anywhere in the world. So let's jump right in. First up, freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to showcase your skills and connect with clients from around the globe. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or marketing whiz, there's a demand for your talents. Plus, you have the flexibility to work on projects that interest you and set your own rates. It's a win-win. Next on our list is dropshipping. With dropshipping, you can start your own e-commerce store without ever handling inventory. Simply find a niche, set up a website using platforms like Shopify, and partner with suppliers who handle shipping and fulfillment. Then, market your products using social media and other online channels. With a little bit of hustle and creativity, the sky's the limit. Looking to share your expertise with the world? Consider creating and selling online courses. Whether you're a fitness guru, language enthusiast, or business expert, there's an audience eager to learn from you. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easy to create and sell courses on virtually any topic. Plus, once you've created your course, you can earn passive income as students enroll and learn at their own pace. Another great way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services, you can earn a commission for each sale or referral you generate. Whether you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, there are endless opportunities to monetize your audience through affiliate links. Just be sure to choose products and brands that align with your audience's interests and needs. Last but not least, consider becoming a virtual assistant. With the rise of remote work, businesses are increasingly seeking virtual support in areas like administrative tasks, customer service, and social media management. Platforms like Virtual Assistant Networking Association, Vana, and Upwork offer opportunities to connect with clients seeking virtual assistance. It's a great way to leverage your skills and earn a steady income from anywhere in the world. And there you have it. 5 ways to make money online from anywhere you are in the world. Whether you're freelancing, dropshipping, teaching online courses, dabbling in affiliate marketing, or providing virtual assistance, the opportunities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring, get creative, and embark on your journey to financial freedom today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Earnings Lane for more tips, tricks, and insights on making money online. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy earning.